If you're a weaver, you've probably been asked a million times, as I certainly have, how long does it take? Now, a lot of people are well-meaning when they ask this question. Some people want to really understand the process so that they can have a greater appreciation of your work, which is great. But I do find that a lot of people will follow up a question like this with a negative statement such as, well, I could never do that. I don't have enough patience for that. Or, I just don't have time for that sort of thing. I personally have never timed myself in a weaving project from start to finish, and I was thinking to myself recently, I wonder why that is. And what I've figured out is that counting the minutes, the hours, whatever it happens to be, would steal my joy of the process. And so no, I won't be timing myself anytime soon. Instead, I'll work quietly and conscientiously through each and every step, and appreciate all of the necessary time spent. And when somebody asks me, how long did it take? I think I'll just reply with, I don't know, and I don't care.